description of the survivors is in the American zone, for solid reasons. Let's imagine we go into one of those DP camps, and I'd like for us to imagine two types of survivors. This is the part when it's not solid fact, but it's all realistic. I'd like to explore with you the story of a survivor who prior to the war had been a modern, liberal Jew of a free profession, doctor, accountant, lawyer, whatever, in any European capital, Paris, Vienna, Budapest, Bucharest, Berlin, Warsaw. And I like to explore, I'll need males for this, then I'll have ladies later, okay? And I want a character of a survivor who would be a Hasidic person. You know who those are. Anybody among the men here cares to be my liberal Jew? Hmm? No volunteers? One liberal Jew. Calling once, calling twice. Thank you, sir. Anybody here cares to be my Satmar Chassid, the Hasidic person?